welcome back to Sadiddy Studios. Okay, y'all, Quick Weave Queen is back for another quick weave. Okay, it's been a while, but we back. Check out the length. Okay. So I'm gonna be using this hair that I got from Amazon. It came in this bag. Let's see. So, oh, they sent some earrings with it. Look like this. Some gold hoops. And here's the hair. Y'all know me, I get the one pack and done. So it comes with 20, 18, and 16. So I'm gonna put this in. Here go the color. And they did have different colors. If y'all like what y'all see at the end, y'all can go get y'all some. And I think this shit was like $14. So boom. If y'all want me to put the link in the comments, I will do that. Just let me know. So if you're new here, then you don't know my method, but I mean, I'm pretty sure you done seen the quick weave. A lot of people doing them different nowadays. I'm gonna stick to the old faithful way. So the old faithful, well, my old faithful is this 30-second or the rubber diamond, the wig cap, liquid wig cap, and my 30-second glue, the best glue ever for quick weaves. And I got some got to be glue spray, and I also got a wig cap that I gotta get. Let me get that right here. And all my stuff is just set up in front of me. Yeah, I washed my hair like 3 days ago, but I had to go to work, so I had to put a little bit of edge control on it, but I didn't use nothing that's too harsh. I used like some braiding jam or something, but it should come right out. I hope so, because it's kind of hard. My hair thin, so it takes product very well. Like, no matter how little or how much I put on, like, it takes product very well. All right, so I'm gonna get into it, and y'all can watch. I'm gonna just part where I want to part, like where I'm gonna I think I'm gonna do like a which side is my good side? I think I'm gonna do it going this way. Let me see, because I'm doing a side part. I don't want no middle part. Okay, so I'm just brushing it out because when you put tracks in, like, the hair get all tangled up, and on top of that is synthetic. So synthetic hair is known to like tangle or whatever. Like I said, I'm just brushing it out. You see the difference? Brushed, not brushed. It's giving brown. It's giving Beyonce. I'm gonna just put some flexi rods in it because I don't like really big hair like this. So I'm gonna put some flexi rods in it so it can get tamed down a little bit, just a little bit. Because I'm not into that big hair at all. But for now, I'm gonna just throw this in a ponytail because I gotta go to work. So I can't wear my hair out like that, especially like this. It's too much hair. Oh, I like this hair though. This hair is nice. It don't feel synthetic either. Like, it feels expensive. It's giving quick weave. Oh, so wet. It's just accent glue. Not glue, but the protecting glue. Protecting. So yeah, I'm just about to throw this in the ponytail. Let me change the lighting. But I'm gonna throw it in the ponytail and get ready for work. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to join us